21 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং দ্য লেয়ার অফ দ্য অ্যাটমসফিয়ার টু মেক টু রেডিও কমিউনিকেশন অফ দ্য পসিবল। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, ionosphere. Just is the following of the layer of the atmosphere of the make the radio communication of the possible. 21 number question explain. The ionosphere is the region of the upper atmosphere where there is the large and concentration of the free ion of the electrons. While the ions of the give the ionosphere its the name is a bit is the free electrons that affect the radio waves and radio communication. In particular, the ionosphere is the widely known as the affecting of the signals on the shortwave and radio band, where it is the reflect the single enabling this is the radio communication of the signals to be heard over the vast distance. Next question. 22 number question কি বলছে, the state light is the এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, high altitude and airship position in the stratosphere. The statellite is the 22 number question explain. A statellite is a rigged framed airship in that is the however in a fixed position the lower stratosphere and the carries to one is more than riveters to create in the wireless and communication of the network. And satellites and classified as both unmanned aerial of the vehicles UAVs and a high altitude airship HAAS and are a brainchild in Bob Jones and former to NASA scientist. Next question. 23 number question কি বলছে, which among the following is the cold dry wind? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, Bora. Thus is the following is a cold dry wind. 23 number question explain. The Bora is an cold and typically and very dry and commonly in blowing the down is from in the mountain on the stand and the side in the Adric Sea, where is the flow and mainly from the northeast to and gap in the Dinaric Alps. Bora wind can occur to any time or during the year is however the peak is frequency occur the cold season in November to March. Next question. 24 number question কি বলছে, the jet stream R is the located to approximately is over this is the northeast altitude in India to therefore there is called in subtropical is westerly jet is the stream. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, 27 degree to 30 degree the jet stream of the located to approximately over the is the subtropical and western jet of the stream. 24 number question explain. This is the jet of the stream are located approximately over 27 degree to 30 degree north is latitude. There or the is known as the subtropical is westerly and jet stream over India. This is a jet stream to blue south and Himalayas. Also the year is except in summer. This is the western cyclonic and disturbance of the experience in the north and northwestern part and the country and brought in by westerly and the jet stream. Next question. 25 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে যে হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ অলসো নোন অ্যাজ ইজ দ্য ডক্টর ওয়াইন্ড, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, two only. This is the Harmattan. This is the following is also known as the Dr. Wines. 25 number question, explain. The Harmattan is a dry and dusty north is Starly wind which is the walkers in the West Africa to north and equator is known as the doctor. The weather and become to suddenly to dry and pleasant is the western coast in Africa. At the arrival to Harmattan, this is the Harmattan to season to is from the end November to the middle of its March. Next question. 26 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফুল ফর্ম IDCZ, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, intertropical and convergence is zone, that is the full form of the IDCZ. 26 number question, explain. ITZ is the stand for the intertropical convergence zone. It is the built is low pressure which is the circling earth generally near the equator, where the trade in winds of the northern and southern hemisphere come together. It is the characterized by an convective activity which is generated often to vigorously thunderstorm to over to large of areas. Next question. 27 number question কি বলছে, হাউ ডাজ ইজ দ্য লা নিনা দ্য এফেক্ট দ্য প্যাসিফিক ওশান, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, cools down the temperature of water. This is La Nina effect of the Pacific Ocean. 27 number question, explain. La Nina is an climate of the pattern that is described, that is the cooling of surface water of the Pacific Ocean to along the tropical coast and South America. La Nina is considered to be counter to El Nino, which is the characterized by unusually warm ocean temperature the equatorial region of the Pacific Ocean. Next question. 28 number question কি বলছে, the in earth the atmosphere which of the following continuously to decrease the, with its height, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, pressure. The earth is atmosphere that is the continuous to decrease the height. 29 number question কি বলছে, the ozone layer is the formed to due to reaction of, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, oxygen and ultraviolet rays, this is ozone layer is formed due to the reaction. 29 number question, explain. Ozone in the earth's stratosphere is created by the ultraviolet light sticking to ordinary two oxygen molecules and containing the two oxygen atom, splitting to them into individual two oxygen atom to atomic oxygen. The atomic oxygen then is combines within unbroken there to create its ozone. 3, the ozone is molecule to unstable when is the ultraviolet light is the ozone is split into molecule of O2 and individual atom to oxygen and continuing to process, that is ozone oxygen in the cycle. Next question. 30 number question কি বলছে, which of the following is a rain cloud? Sirius, Nimbus, Cumulonimbus, Alto Cumulus, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, 2 and 3 only. Nimbus status and cumulonimbus is following the rain cloud. 30 number question, explain. The most commonly is a rain cloud that is produced a steady rain of the referred to as nimbus stratus and cloud. This is the cloud appeared to low in the sky or in the medium dark in the gray cloud. Beside in the cumulonimbus in cloud of the produce in the rain here in the other attributes and thunderstorm. This is the cloud of the begin to as cumulus and cloud that is the achievement vertical is the growth. ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক করো, কমেন্ট করো আর বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করো। সাবস্ক্রাইব নাও মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল WBCS টেকনো স্টাডিতে। তো আজকের মতন এখানে শেষ। নমস্কার।